Hello, I'm Mark McCloskey with Kyntronics, and welcome to the next episode of Ask the Expert, where we conquer the toughest questions we get in the field. Today's question is, how does a linear actuator work? And we're going to break it down in a couple of different scenarios here and different technologies. Starting off, so there's a type of technology out there that's a screw type, ball screw technology. We call them electromechanical actuators, EMAs. This type of technology is basically a screw where it has a nut and the nut can move, or the nut is fixed and the screw moves. There's some disadvantages with these just due to the shock loaded capabilities, metal to metal wear, constant lubrication, um, as well as L10 calculations as well. So there's some disadvantages with these. Another one that we come across a lot is traditional hydraulics and pneumatics. Similar technology, both of them require a power supply of some sort, either a hydraulic power unit or a air compressor, with plumbing going over to the cylinders, air cylinders or hydraulic cylinders. The one here on the table is actually a hydraulic cylinder, where you have two hoses going to an hydraulic power unit, and then the hydraulic power unit basically has servo valves or extra valving internally or external that basically controls the rod of the cylinder, so either to extend or retract. Again, very robust system. Downfalls are you have hoses which have couplings which lead to leaks. They lack energy efficiency as well as a lack of control. There's also a new technology out there, which is a hybrid technology, which is also what we have here on the table. This is a Kyntronics hybrid linear actuator cutaway, where essentially there's no hoses, there's no leaks associated with those hoses. You don't need any external power units, as well as there's no internal metal to metal wear. So all you see here is a piston cylinder, and you're moving fluid in and out of the manifold. So it's an onboard reservoir. So there's no external hoses, leaks, valving, anything regarding that. There's no L10 calculations with our system because there's no shock loading, and there's no metal to metal wear. So with our system, you have power on demand, servo control, as well as force and position control. So there's a lot of advantages with our system. If you're interested in learning more, feel free to contact us at kyntronics.com. Thank you.